Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to use if condition in PHP. If condition in PHP is not very different in any condition in any another language. When we using if condition, if open brackets, enter your variable name, var name, operation value with 2 equal, open brackets, enter your conditional result here. At the first, I will create a variable age equal 50. I will use if age equal 15 echo your age is dot age this age, else echo your age must be 15. Let's reloading result. Your age is 15. Let's change if it's not 18, if not 15. Reload. Your age must be 15. Okay, we can using more than or less than. If age less than 15, if user age less than 15, he will echo your age must be more than 40. Your age must be, else will echo the success. Success, because my age is more than 50, more than 40. If my age is 50, also success. If my age less than 50, 40, this give me your age must be more than 40. We can using more than, more than. Your age must be less than 50. Success if my age is 50. Age is 20. Your age must be less than 60. Okay, we can use and in PHP you can use double and, or you can use and as an operation. If age more than 15, if age less than, no, if age more 15 and name equal Muhammad, we'll create another variable Muhammad name equal Muhammad. If age more than 15 and name equal Muhammad, you will echo you are success error. If this current user, it will print your success, else echo error. Same error. Why it error? Muhammad, yes, you are success. We can using or in PHP you only using this. Success also, if we change it Muhammad to another value, also success. We change this here and change age to 14. Error, give us error, because one of two value not validate. It need one value. We can add as one or name equal this. Success, you are success because one of three values are true. It's true. Okay, we can use if and else if more than sometime. If name, if age equal 50, else if age equal 80. Else if age 20. We have some cases here. If age equal 15, else if age equal 18, else if age equal 20, else will give us error. The age must be between these values 15, 18s, 20s, else will give error. Okay, age equal 15. If age equal 15, echo age, echo age, echo age. Reload. Age is 15. If age is 16, nothing will echo. It will echo error because age not in our cases here. 20, it will printing our age, echo 20. This example we can using and login screen we can creating variable username and password. If username equal username in database and password equal password in database, we'll going to user profile and success login. Okay, thank you for watching our tutorial. Please share and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you later.